All right, just this way. Watch your step. And here we are.
It was nice of your father to let me stay here.
Well, until we can find you a safe place to go, consider Burke your home.
Wow. What are these? They're really cool.
A new saddle for Toothless. We're trying to get some extra speed so we can stay on top of Astrid and Stormfly. Astrid's very competitive. Okay, so, do you need anything? Some warm yak milk? A nice fish stew?
No,